road rage can turn an ordinary drive into an unforgettable lesson in just a few seconds. Today, we're looking at real moments where reckless behavior met unexpected consequences, proving that staying calm is always the smarter choice. That exhaust rev definitely got everyone's attention, but probably not in the way the driver expected.
You drove into me, ma'am. Ma'am, you drove into me. You started driving at me. Stop. You started in front of your car into mine.
Stop recording me.
The cops.
Stop. You can't press charges.
I'm in charges.
You're recording me without my permission.
It's illegal.
Whatever I want. Stop recording me. Stop recording me.
Phone.
Stop recording me.
This encounter quickly became an example of how a simple disagreement can escalate when emotions take over. Remaining calm often solves far more than raising your voice. Sedans and SUVs handle weight differently, and sometimes physics delivers an unforgettable lesson all by itself. Sometimes lending a helping hand can be the quickest solution, even if it's just adjusting a side mirror.
Wild as hell, this man, only in the rack, boy. This man just jumped in front of us, boy. Look, they on his ass. Oh,
Traffic laws exist for a reason, especially on busy highways where one risky decision can affect everyone around you. Officers in Idaho recognized when the situation had gone far enough and stepped in to restore order.
I'm done.
Let's go. Good fight. Here we go. Glad you guys got.
Balancing on two wheels may look impressive, but it leaves very little room for error. Following an earlier confrontation, one driver allowed frustration to influence his judgment and decided to challenge a fully loaded cargo truck using his own SUV. It didn't take long before the enormous difference in size reminded everyone why keeping emotions under control is always the smarter choice. One glance at his expression tells the entire story. Sometimes disappointment says more than words ever could. One punch was enough to send the mirror flying, proving that losing your temper usually creates a much bigger problem than the one you started with. Confidence can disappear very quickly once you realize law enforcement is already standing right beside you. There's an old saying in many places: the person who loses their temper often regrets it first.
Crazy leftist.
What started as someone mocking another person in public became a reminder that treating others with respect usually leads to much better outcomes than seeking attention at someone else's expense.
There we go.
Even the motorcycle seemed to disagree with the rider's decision.
What? Get out the car. Please get out the car. Please get out the car. Get out the car. Oh my God, she's trying to cut her. Oh my God, she's trying to cut her.
What started as a tense situation quickly turned into chaos, reminding everyone how fast events can escalate when emotions replace good judgment. Unexpected endings often make for the most memorable moments.
Oh my God, call the police. Oh my God, he is the police.
Poor decisions have consequences, and disrespectful behavior rarely leads anywhere positive. The confrontation began when a pedestrian attempted to cross despite vehicles having the right of way. After becoming upset by the sound of a car horn, the individual approached the vehicle aggressively. The situation ended quickly when the driver used pepper spray to protect themselves from the confrontation. This moment feels less like an argument and more like a parent trying to settle down an unruly group. There was no delay this time. Officers arrived almost immediately to take control of the situation. He approached full of confidence, but left with a very different expression after the situation unfolded. One reckless decision ended with an unexpected trip to the local police station instead of home. It's difficult to explain behavior like this without questioning what was really going through the driver's mind. Confronting law enforcement while impaired is never a decision that ends well.
Is somebody in that car?
Police followed the off-duty sergeant into the City Hall parking area, where he exited his vehicle with his hands raised and complied with officers' instructions.
6-3 to lacrosse.
The incident began after a motorcyclist struck a vehicle's side mirror before leaving the scene.
Hey! Okay, keep your hands where I can see them, okay?
one pointed a gun at me. You're
Okay.
gonna let him get away?
Can you get on your knees, please? Keep your hands where I can see them, okay?
Yep. Is there anyone else in the car?
No. I told the 911.
We're just gonna place you into handcuffs right now, okay?
The retired driver reacted by pursuing the rider through residential streets at high speed, while the entire event was captured by his own dash camera. Following the investigation, he received an 8-month prison sentence for dangerous driving and obstructing police. The discussion centered around whether the vehicle's license plate was mounted according to local regulations.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Você caiu.
A man with only a few weeks of kickboxing experience decided to challenge UFC champion Alex Pereira. It didn't take long before he discovered just how large the skill gap really was.
Yeah. Again.
While attempting a right turn, one driver failed to notice another vehicle already moving through the intersection. When the maneuver didn't go as planned, frustration shifted toward the driver behind. Fortunately, the situation was brought under control before it escalated further. Moments like these show why safe driving depends on patience, awareness, and good decision-making, not just passing a driving test. Running away rarely changes the outcome when authorities already know exactly what's happening.
Cuando nace el doctor eso no es un sicario, no, eso es un nazi. Tu mujer es una lazi, le meto y le mando en taxi. Suena complicado, pero para mí eso es muy fácil. Nice.
Every action on the road carries consequences, whether positive or negative. Emergency medical vehicles rely on clear roads to reach people who need urgent care. Blocking their path can delay life-saving assistance.
Ля-ля, что делаешь? О, ты посмотри, что мудак делает. Давай ему пизду дадим. Пизды ему дать, тварь такая!
Hopefully everyone involved received the medical attention they needed afterward.
Ты посмотри, как вылезли все на скорую, да? Смотри.
Not every confrontation ends the way someone expects. Especially when the other person turns out to be a law enforcement officer. Responsible driving requires patience, awareness, and sound judgment every time you get behind the wheel. In Ohio, 33-year-old Esther Perigula attempted to flee from police during a high-speed pursuit that reportedly reached around 180 kilometers per hour before officers safely brought the chase to an end. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these remarkable road moments, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And before you leave, click one of the videos on your screen to continue watching more incredible real-world moments, transportation stories, and fascinating documentaries from around the world.